Hey, auntie.
Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you a quick video on how I pimp out my natural nails because all these nail techs don't like to make my nails look really cute, so I'm going to do it by myself. And these are the things you're going to need. So you're going to need some cold water in a bowl, your favorable nail polish. I have black and white as well as a base coat, some sellotape, a pair of scissors, and a toothpick. So when you take your bowl of water, you're going to put in a couple of drops of your nail color. It can be any nail color. I got these from Discam. They were only 20 rands. And I first put in some white and then some black, and I kept on alternating as the nail polish was spreading. After that, I used the toothpick to spread out as if in a web matter. That way the pattern will spread out, and then it's easier to get a marble effect from that. So this is what it looks like when you spread out the nail polish from all random angles. And then the thing that I'm going to do now is I'm going to take sellotape and place it on the base of my nails as well as around the skin around my nails if that makes sense. That way I don't get the nail polish on my skin, I just get it directly onto my nail bed. So I did that for 4 fingers and this is what it looked like. And then all you have to do is dip in your nail all the way down and then lift it up. The nail polish immediately sticks onto your nail bed, and that's pretty much it. So this is the marble effect that I got on my nails, and I'm very happy with how it came out, and it was my first attempt, so yay to me. So I would appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, join the auntie army, and give it a thumbs up if you'd like for me to do more videos like this, specifically focusing on my nails and other DIYs that I like to do. I will see you in my next video. Bye.